thought I'd do a bit of a getting ready for Harewood House video, because actually tomorrow we should be there. Now I'm hoping to get this video out tomorrow, so it will be today when we're actually arriving at Harewood. But the first thing I've got to do is I've got to clean the T6 and the Caddy. Now you may see some of these detailing videos on TikTok where they do a really good job, but this is me we're talking about, so this is just a little bit more in depth than a courtesy wipe. I also bought some tyre paint the other day and I thought, oh, I'll colour the lettering in on the wheels, and I've made an absolute terrible, and in fact I'm not even blaming myself, the pens were absolutely terrible. But this van hasn't been cleaned since we come back from Newquay, so I've got to get it cleaned because we want to put a big effort on this year and hopefully win Best Club again. I'll start off with a quick courtesy once over. I'm actually amazed that my jet wash actually makes it all the way to the back of the van, because I've cut this hose pipe short for convenience, and actually it's made my life a lot harder. But if I park at this angle, then I can get to the vast majority of the back of the van. I'm just giving it a bit of a wash down first because it's a bit minging. There's probably going to be so many people watching this video being like, what on earth is he doing? But look, I don't care, I do it this way. Kind of works for me. See, the best thing about a bucket and sponge for me is that I can actually see where I should be wiping. And the other thing I love is these wheels. I shouldn't clean with this actually, but because they're like that kind of shape, they are so easy to clean. See, it does need some paintwork corrections doing on this van, so that's why I'm not too bothered about how well I clean it, because there's kind of no point polishing a turd, is there? If it was a show pony and I took it onto some of these sites and it got like minging, I'd probably be a little bit pissed off and a little bit more cautious with it. So quick blast off and then the snow foam. This snow foam has to be one of the best things I think I've ever bought. It's just well good. And there is nothing like the satisfaction of that. Might be a bit too thingy there actually. A bit to the other way. I think one benefit of having quite a small drive is I can do the Caddy. I've got to do it anyway, so. Oh my God, I'm getting next doors. I think I definitely need to sort my hose pipe out because this is as far as I can go. So, the Caddy, it's getting a 2-in-1 this. Look, the only thing is I can't do that right side, but that's pretty good. T6 is done. Just need to rinse them off now. That is not something you see every day on our street. Someone skateboarding down it. That's pretty cool. That should be in Newquay, skiing like that. Skating, should I say. You don't see that every day. To be fair as well, at this place tomorrow, there's like an 1.5-hour drive up there, so whatever I'm doing now is potentially going to get a little bit dirty tomorrow as well. So it, once again, it doesn't have to be show clean. Both pretty much John clean now, but obviously we need to do them a little bit more. I don't actually think that's a bad job actually. Both of them pretty clean there. I mean, like I say with anything, I don't really clean them that well, but Oh no. I've just put my hose pipe away and I've not done that back door. What an absolute joker. You know, the thing is, I don't have to try to be an idiot. Like, in other arenas and other things, I'm not an idiot. But when it comes to anything like this, practical, yeah, I'm an absolute idiot. Right, as I was saying, I don't think that's too bad. I don't think that's too bad for a quick-ish clean of them both. I think they look all right. Look shiny enough. I've not got time to polish and wax them right like that, but you know, for Harewood House, and my caddy is never going to win like best caddy or show and shine. Look at the ones that we've got. So with that, like, work smart, not hard. I don't have to clean it like some of these show ponies. I'll just have to give it a courtesy wipe. Same with the T6. That is never going to win any awards for being the best looking. Now both these are cleaned, we can get on with the important part, and that is packing the T6 ready for tomorrow. And for that, I definitely need Alison. You know, for years we used to be motorbike campers, and I used to think that was like pretty hard getting ready, getting everything packed onto the bikes and things like that. It genuinely doesn't compare to getting ready to take a family to a festival for the weekend. That is way harder than any motorbike camping you'll ever do. So this is the aftermath from the Tatton Park one. A nice little ball of sandwich wrapper. Another ball of sandwich wrapper, that's lovely. Some secure documents that need shredding. So I've got to sort all this out and decide what's coming and what's not. And also to fit in the back of the caddy is Liam's bed, because heaven forbid we put a tent up for him. He wants to sleep in the back of the caddy, so I've got to set that bed up, pack the T6, get all this stuff in, and then I'm going to have to fill them up tomorrow morning now. I've not got time to fill them up now. And use supermarket fuel. Don't use supermarket fuel, in fact. It's just going to have to be brute force, isn't it? It's just going to have to be, we just take everything out. These chairs live underneath there. If they go in, will they go in? Oh, there's already one in, so I only have to put one more in. I'm hoping this just fits in pretty easy. And I've already got a splinter. Great. Right, that's not too bad, is it? Does this go on the top or the bottom? I can't remember. This is actually probably a bed system that I should have had on my old caddy. And the kids have moved out. We don't have to do any of this ever again.
Those hooks came out.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. That can't stay up there anymore then. What we've got to do is obviously, you know, put it down here and we have to take it down when we're driving. What should I do with like the show stuff? Should that go in the back of the caddy, do you think?
Yeah, there's stuff like the beers, like the gazebo, ideally.
All go in the caddy. We're going bigger and better this year at this show, and also there is an American theme, isn't there? So we've got to take a lot more stuff with us than usual. Plus, compared to last year, we're taking the transporter now, which we didn't have to do. And we didn't have Liam last year either, did we?
No.
We kind of just turned up and won and went home, didn't we? How it should be. This is a lot harder this year. That might be a bit rattly, but I'm not driving the caddy tomorrow. Alison's taking it like she takes the caddy all the time now. Right, that's not looking too bad. Stuff for the show stand, some of the, what's the word? Like paraphernalia, bunting. Yeah, that's kind of it. These are for the flag. I'm going to give that away like I did at the Trafford Tatton Park one. And then that is a Caddy Boys flag. Should have quite a few flags for this one. Hopefully, all being well. I know I'm saying that, and we go tomorrow, which you might be watching this, and we're there now. but we should have a couple of flags. Hey puppy. Hello. Hey, come here. What are you doing? You're not allowed outside? No. No. You got to stay there. You got to stay there. Hey, son. Hey, son. You've got to stay there. Go on. Inside, you need an haircut. Go on. Inside. You need a haircut, but you can't, can you? Because you've got your skin infection. Go on. That's a good girl. I don't know if you'll be able to see me.
You can't see me!
Very well, but the other day I bought a warranty for the Caddy, and then for the warranty you've got to do little things like send out your, oh my god, they're red, I didn't know they were red. Feel like should be in a Sting song. But yeah, one of the things you had to do is like show them your mileage and show them other things like your last MOT and all this kind of stuff. And there is a warning light on my dashboard. Now it's a bulb light, and I think it's something to do with the LED bulbs that he's put in. So I thought I'd bring the Carista in and see if I can erase it. I don't know if I have to code it or whatever. I don't know if I can do it on the Carista. But this is the final job to get me ready for Harewood tomorrow. And I don't have to do it for tomorrow, but it's one of those things, you know when you've got something looming over you and you just think, I need to sort that? Because at the minute, the warranty isn't live. So if anything happens, touch wood, between now and Harewood, then I've not got a warranty. So let's see if we can sort that out. The point is actually in the usual place. It's pitch black out here. You wouldn't believe it's summer, would you? So that's in the usual place. So plug it in now. Put 14% battery because I'm an absolute idiot. I'm hoping that I can just clear it off. It is literally just a light bulb thing, light bulb message. But the warranty company is saying, oh no, there's an error on your dashboard, so we're not putting your warranty in until you say, yeah, please say, you know, yeah, VW Caddy. Diagnose and reset fault codes. Faults detected. Central electronics, low left beam. Oh, is it that? Yeah, it's that, isn't it? Reset. Oh, it's gone. Boom. Right, I'm going to take a video quick of this so I can get it over to the warranty company. Buzzing, so that was just a little bit of a bonus video to show you us getting ready to take these vans to Harewood tomorrow, and hopefully we can win best club again, because we've got some stuff up our sleeve and, you know, the Caddy Boys way. And look out for this video for the Harewood House, because like I say, fingers crossed we win best club. For all the members that have put in the effort and come on the stand, it's going to be wicked. And yeah, we'll see you up there on the next video. Take it easy.